Sustained product review. XLS medical fat binder.
Science fact. Oh, hang on. Careful.
Smashed it. So we're going to do a couple of little reviews. I picked up these from Holland & Barrett. I can't remember which one. They're very expensive. But it's the kind of thing that this time of year, people are looking to lose a bit of fat. Obviously, being humans, we like everything nice and easy. That's why we take escalators and not stairs.
Buy XLS fat medical pills.
This is one of the options. Joe, what does it say on the box?
It says, for the treatment of excess weight, as if it's something that can be treated through a pill.
So it's something you catch. Alright, I was walking past Greg's and I gained 5 pounds.
Fat binder helps you to lose up to 3 times more weight than dieting alone, and then there's a nice study, which obviously we've not looked into. Reduces calories absorbed from dietary fats, that's the key one. Clinically proven efficiency.
So, from my understanding of these pills, and spoken to someone who was actually taking them for some reason,
Not me.
yeah, someone I actually know, they do bind the fat that you eat with some patented fibre. Unfortunately, that fat then leaks out of your butt when you don't particularly want it to. Not that you'd ever want stuff leaking out of your butt, but you force the person that I know who will remain anonymous, let's just call them Steph, for example, to soil themselves whilst building some IKEA furniture. Apparently it looked like melted cheese. So, yeah.
It's sad, isn't it? Because everyone wants the easy option, and buying a pill from Holland & Barrett, other stores available I'm sure, it's just preying on people who don't really know what's going on. And it's becoming more popular in the mainstream now. If these things get slammed, we're doing it, everyone else is doing it. But there's still a huge percentage of people buying these things because they think it'll work. But the issue is, you're not actually, the treatment of excess weight, it wasn't brought on because you contracted it, so it can't be...
Or because you weren't taking these.
Yeah, exactly, so it can't be undone by taking a pill. And it's just preying on the weak and the vulnerable and people who just have kind of lost hope with other systems and services and whatnot, and they're just hoping that the answer's going to be found in a pill.
So yeah, as always, weight loss, fat loss is going to be down to a calorie deficit. This is just a simple way of getting a calorie deficit, although in a rather filthy, embarrassing way, because all it's doing is it's limiting the amount of fat that you digest. So everything has calories, fat has 9 calories per gram, you cut your fat intake, you lose weight. It's simple as that. Unfortunately, if you don't address what you're eating, your choices, or why you're eating them, or change any kind of habits, or exercise, or eat anything different, then as soon as you stop taking these tablets and stop soiling yourself, you will regain that weight because you've not learned anything about what your food needs, you've not changed any habits. So it's just that endless kind of cycle of washing your underpants.
There's loads of good psychological triggers you can use, thinking about your long-term goals or the long-term negatives from the foods that you eat. And I think the short-term threat of soiling yourself in public isn't the best one to go for. I think there's so many better options you can have than thinking, if I eat this, I'm going to have melted cheese in my pants in the next 2 hours.
Who wants that?
Well, each to their own, but yeah, not for me. What about you?
No, I'm good. I'm like man pond, absorbing it.
So, the lesson is, there are shortcuts, but this isn't it. So there's ways you can make it easier, fat loss in general, or whatever it is your goal may be, but don't take these.
Yeah, just cut down on some of the fats you're eating. Fats are essential for your health, but just don't eat the chocolate orange, and you're going to save some calories, and your embarrassment. So, XLS Medical, thumbs down from me.
Yeah, and me, not today.
Don't do it.